USDJPY is Japanese yen. So as we expected that it's heading higher. Let's delete this. For now, it's still going higher. For 1 hour, still going higher. But I suspect that the price could stop and pull back from the 61, 11, 69 or 68, 70, something around here, somewhere around here. So this price, and we look back. So we could long here, and but we watch the 111.60, and the price could come back a bit, yeah, and then continue to long. So from daily chart is we watch that the 200-day moving average, that's 11, maybe a little bit up over that. So here, yeah. So for the next couple of days, we still long, and the first target it should be 112. So we should 112, and yeah, maybe it's just go down a little bit from, yeah, just not 112. So we reach the 112 first. Yeah, okay. And for now, we be careful that could be a pullback from the 111.70, because the momentum is getting weaker and weaker. If you have a look the MACD, that here, and weaker and weaker more. Maybe this MACD can like this and come back. Yeah. So we're watching this price first, and then after pullback, then we long. This is USDJPY.